Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. We're on a part 2 of our air fryer video, and we're going to make a half a frozen pizza. I don't think a whole pizza would fit in here, but me and my son, that's all we could eat anyways. So I'm going to stick this in. I don't know which rack to put it in, so I'm gonna just stick it in the bottom there, and then we close it up, and then we push this button, and then we're gonna push the pizza setting. So it is going to cook for 12 minutes, and while that's cooking, we'll talk about the accessories. So I finally figured out what this big ass bar was for. It's for putting a chicken on here. It's too bad that one side wasn't like pointy to like try and poke it through the chicken, but maybe it won't be that hard. We'll try this out next time I buy a whole chicken and see how it is. And then this thing here is for putting things in and out of your air fryer. What's wrong, kitty? You want to say hi to YouTube? Say hi, YouTube. My name is Hocus. Yes. She's our new baby. And then I still haven't figured out what this basket would be used for, so I'm gonna do some research and try to figure it out. So the tray we put in is tray number 1, and then we have a second tray. Okay, I'll let you down. And then we have this one. It's supposed to be a splash guard, so like if you're cooking something that you think is going to splash, you could put this over the top. But with the big holes in there, I don't see the purpose of that at all. So, and I looked through the whole book, and I still don't know what these are for, unless maybe, I think that would work either. I was going to say put them on the end to stab through the chicken, but I don't know what those are for at all. I'll have to read the book in depth. I didn't have time to read it. I just skimmed it. So if there's anything you'd like me to demonstrate in the air fryer, as long as I know how to cook it, I'll try it. This is gonna be my new favorite toy. I love it so much. It's a black square. It's about 1.5 feet by 1.75 feet maybe, and maybe like 1.5 feet. No, it can't be 1.5 feet. I wish I had my measuring tape so I could tell exactly how big the dimensions are. Maybe it'll say on the box. It just says 10 quart. It doesn't say the dimensions, but I think it's a good size. I wish it had a light in here so I could see. Ow, that's hot. So I could see the pizza better and be able to tell it. Because I don't like mine too dark and I don't like it too light. I like it perfect. So far I'm enjoying it. I'm curious to how low this temperature goes down to. I just noticed here that it's at 300 still. I don't know if I was supposed to change that to like 400, because that's how hot a regular oven would be. But we'll see. If it doesn't cook, and I don't know if you can, oh yeah, you can high it up. Let's try to put it at 400, because that's how much the pizza's supposed to be cooking at. And it still has 7 minutes left, so maybe it'll cook. Let's cross our fingers. But yeah, I'm excited. I bought this at Walmart. It was $140 Canadian. They asked if I wanted a warranty or protection plan or something, but I said no, because if I like this one, I think I'm going to get a Pampered Chef one next, and I'll give this one to my daughter because she's planning on moving out in a few months. So we still have, how many minutes left? 6.5 minutes. What are we going to talk about? Do you guys want to unbox some Tupperware while we wait? I was going to wait until I get my other order before I unbox this, but oh well. I got this in the mail yesterday. It is very cute. I thought it was going to be leather, and I'm happy to know it's not leather, because I don't really like using leather. Maybe like faux leather. But this is a cloth kind of bag. It's a money bag. It's cute. I'll use it as a makeup bag instead of a money bag. And then I got this the other day. I earned this for free for when I signed up for Tupperware. When you put in a $600 party, you get a welcome bonus, and this was my welcome bonus. I gotta take all this plastic off. This is a microwavable plastic. It says Tupperware in the top. Made in the USA. I'm glad to see that instead of made in China. I don't know what this little symbol stands for. Right here. I'll have to ask somebody. It could mean, I don't know if it, I know this symbol means microwave safe. Maybe it'll show in the little booklet. So this is the next little basket. Okay, this one's showing freezer safe and microwave safe. I was gonna say, why is there a cup in here? But this is not a cup. This is a cone. So I think this is the bottom. And then you put the cone in there. Say if you were making a bunch of cake or something. God, they're stuck together. Oh no. Oh no. How did I do that? I did not mean to do that. Oh my freaking God. Well, that was a fail. yourself. Do not put the big one inside the small one. So this is the bottom one. So you could put the cone in there like that, and then put your cake mix all around. I don't even know if I'll use this. And then there's this second layer. So you could put like a chicken in the bottom and put your potatoes in here. And then there's a steaming basket that can go on top of the potatoes. And you can cook your vegetables in there. And then you put the cover on top, and that's why it's called a stack cooker, because you stack it all and you cook it in the microwave all at once. So that's cool. I don't know if I'd actually use this thing, but it was free, so I took it as a free gift. But I don't know what these seals are for. Maybe the seals are for the seal fits on the steamer part, and it also fits on this one. Oh, kind of big. It fits on the bottom one. It doesn't fit snug, so I don't know. I might have to ask my supervisor what these seals are for, because I've never seen it. I didn't even notice a seal when I was selling Tupperware. So we got, how many minutes left? 38 seconds. We wasted enough time. So one of these days I'll show you a meal in the stack cooker. Oh, put the cone away. This way it might say in here what it's for. Found every language except English. So the bottom is called a 3-quart casserole. The medium, my pizza kind of got a little overcooked, but maybe next time I'll turn the temperature down a little bit. So that's not gonna work. See, I kind of overcooked it, but this was our first time trying the air fryer, so we can't be mad at that. So I'm just going to let that sit there for a second till I show you. So the bottom one was a 3-quart casserole. The second layer was a 1 3/4 quart casserole. And the top is a 3/4 quart 750 ml casserole or cover. So you can cook in that cover, or you can use it as a cover. And then the colander, and then the baking cone, and then the seals, virtually airtight and liquid tight seals. Well, they were not airtight, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. And then it gave you a recipe over here for Hawaiian angel food cake. So that's cool. So that's it for our video. Our pizza's done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like these kind of videos, you can comment below what you would like me to demonstrate in the air fryer. and I'll make it for you. Until next time, bye.